guys, welcome back to the Math Hack. I have some really important news. Last week I received a really important letter from Dubai. This is a quite fancy petition from the government of Dubai, where they're asking me and my specialist mathematician to find this area, the yellow one. This is actually with the purpose of building this new fancy and innovative building.
Girl around, and maybe buy me some new strings and her a night out on the weekend, and we can whisper things, secrets from our American dreams. Baby needs some protection.
Step 1. Understand the problem and analyze the graph. Step 2. Identify the data. So we know we have one equation, which is x equals y squared minus 1. The second equation, which is x equals square root of y. And an important side note, this kind of problems need to be solved with integrals. We need to consider the values of the integral. So it will be y belongs to 0 to 1. The bottom line to the upper line. You can notice that it will be quite difficult to find the area this way. So basically we'll turn it sideways, solve it this way. Step 3. Translate into math problem. Our integral, well, we have area equals the integral from the bottom line 0 to 1, and then the positive function, which is the one in the right, if we say it normally, square root of y minus the negative function, or the one in the left with respect to the y-axis, which is y squared minus 1 times dy.
You know, the equations are based on y instead of x. That's why we have our integrals times dy and not times dx.
Step 4. Solve. So we just basically simplify, we rewrite, solve by separating each component, and then we evaluate with the values given from 0 to 1. Our total area equals 4/3 square units, which equals 1.333 infinite squared units. Now, my specialist in math will explain us the easier way to find it.
They give you these two curves. You need to find the area between this one and this one. So, first you need to isolate the given equations. The first one will give you y equals 8 squared, and the second will get y equals square root of x plus 1. You integrate from both. There you're gonna add them up in between the points. Minus 1 and 0, and here 0 to 1. You do the whole process. Once you integrate, substitute superior limit minus inferior limit, and we'll give you 1/3. But 1/3 is just this area, and they're asking this area. So what you do is a square, and you say, okay, this square is equal to 1 minus the area given, and then give it 2/3. So this is 2/3. So as this one, you see with 2/3 also. You add them up, the answer is 4/3 or 1.33 square units.
Whisper up against my ear. Afterwards, I found my face in the trash. Really, at the core of it, it wasn't so